Hi guys, I bought this little phone fan a little while back and used it to power a little car by plugging it into one of my mobile phones, because that's what it's designed for. I can't use that because this isn't an iPhone, so it goes in that way round. And there we go. And that's all I bought it for. But quite a few people have commented that these are known as iPhone killers. And there's videos on YouTube of people managing to kill their iPhones with it. Well, fair enough, that may or may not be true. I don't know. The one I've just watched on YouTube isn't exactly the same as this one. It's actually got a permanent iPhone plug on it, whereas this one's got an adapter, but it looks very similar, so it may be the same thing. But I started wondering about this, whether there was anything in it that might infect your iPhone, because the video I watched, the guy's iPhone started doing things all on its own. And you do hear things about USB rogue memory cards that once you plug them into your PC, they stick a bit of code in there and hijack your PC for you, or all your personal details. So that may or may not be true, but I thought it'd be worth taking this apart anyway and just having a look to see if there's anything in here that could possibly store some code in it, whether there's any sort of memory in there. Obviously it'll do nothing if it's just got the power leads, the battery and earth, or positive and negative put through, but if there's anything that goes through to the data transmit and receive, then I guess it's potentially possible. I'm certainly no expert on that sort of thing, but I know how these panic videos go viral. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this open and see if we can see what's in here. It's only a sort of silicone-y rubber. I would think we might struggle to see anything because it's going to be a bit small. Zoom in a bit, I suppose. Come on. Still in focus? Yeah, just about. So I've just cut down the sides. Cut that off anyway. Right, I just want to nibble away at it carefully, just in case there's any wires I might accidentally cut through. Well, we're okay so far. So far we're just getting the casing off. What I'm expecting is there'll just be two wires connected through to the back of the motor. Feels like the edge of a circuit board. Try not to cut through my fingers. I don't really want to do that. Although no doubt it would make a good video. Making quite a long video. Well, nothing exciting yet. Looks like I should be able to go down there safely. I suspect we might not be able to see anything at all when we've finished. I don't know, is there anything there? Oh, lost focus then, didn't we? I don't think you missed anything. There we go. So we've got two wires. Oh, might be handy if I have it in front of the camera. I think what I'm going to have to go and do is desolder this, just so we can pull this little circuit board off the back, just so we can see on the other side of it. Because if I'm looking for some hidden memory card in there, I'm probably going to have to pull this apart, aren't we? So we can see everything. That just we're going to have to open the other side, aren't we? Come on, off you come. Right, so we can see one, two, three, four, five. Oh, went out of focus. Sorry guys, do that again. We can see we've got five. What do we call them? So that's the 5 pins that go into your charger port on your camera. Start again. So that's the 5 pins that go into the charger port on your phone. It should be the outside 2 are the positive and negative, the 5 volts that would normally be going into the phone. And I'm guessing that they go from there to there. I'll go and get a meter. Right, back again. I've desoldered the motor off the circuit board. I've actually put a couple of wires on there so we can play with the motor separately. So looking at this, unless there's something hidden in the plastic here, I don't think we've got any hidden memory board. So one of these is going to have to go across. Let's have a look. Right, so that wire there goes to there. Let's try the next one. Open circuit. Next one, open circuit. Right to there. Right, that one's short circuit to there. Open circuit, turn it over. Across to there, open circuit to that side, open circuit. So that one goes to there, and that one goes to there. Right, one of the questions I did have was, could we run an LED off it? So, what we could do is we could measure the voltage coming out, couldn't we? Volts. Can we run an LED off it? Why you would want to, I don't know, but okay. Turn the other way. There we go. I've got a red and a green LED in opposite directions here, so we can just test polarity. I think the question was really, could you put a high-powered LED on there and use it as a bright torch? Well, you might be able to, but I'm not going to try and blow up my phone doing that. So what have we proved? Not a lot really. There's no obvious memory chip in there that's going to infect your phone. Although, I say technically there could still be one buried in the plastic there. But I didn't manage to measure anything going across any of those pins. I think that's just paranoia. And the motor, what have we got? I've got a battery there. Put that back on there. So yeah, if you really wanted to, you could still use that motor. So that's what's inside anyway. Nothing that I can see that's going to cause you a problem, other than the simple fact that you're running the motor directly off the battery and earth in your phone or your battery. There's no protection here of any sort to stop that drawing too much current, or if this goes faulty and short circuit, whether that would cause a problem. And that was measuring about 13 ohms, wasn't it? Yeah, so the motor measures about 13 ohms. Well, I hope that helps somebody who was panicking about these iPhone killers. That's what's inside anyway. You're putting a motor, in this case a 13 ohm motor, across your battery and earth, or across your battery.